are the key players that you're looking forward to today?
The key players that I am looking forward to play today are MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, and Faf du Plessis, Ravindra Jadeja, Ruturaj Gaikwad, and Shivam Dube.
Okay. What do you think is going to be the highlight of today's match?
I think MS Dhoni's last match in Bengaluru or Ruturaj batting.
So this probably might be the last match of Dhoni as well in this IPL. So are you seeing that great healthy battle between Virat Kohli and CSK that are you looking forward to?
Yes, definitely. I do see this match going on pretty well. So I hope the best for both Virat Kohli and RCB. But as a fan, I really hope MS Dhoni plays and his best. Actually, as his last match in Chinnaswamy and Bangalore, we all expect the same. So yeah, all the best to MS Dhoni. Please don't lose. Don't let us have hope in him. Please, thank you.
Yeah, we can see as players as this is a rivalry, but for the players it is like a friendly match between RCB and CSK, and I don't care whatever happens, CSK is going to win today.
You can see the rivalry here in our family also. We are divided here. We too are divided here. We are belong to close family members. But there is rivalry between CSK and RCB. Whatever may be the play today, RCB is going to win the match. And second highlight, we are expecting Virat Kohli to hit the century, and the very well, farewell will be given to our MS Dhoni.
Who's your favorite player and what kind of expectations you have on him today?
Of course, it's Virat Kohli and Maxwell, and I hope that he catches more of the balls and puts a century on today and fire on all of the RCB fans' heart.
Can we have that cheers from both the sides? RCB
It's
We are 650 kilometers away from Bangalore. We want RCB to win at any cost of our life, all the moments of our life. We want RCB to win.
We are RCB for life, and this time hopefully the comeback our team has made we are sure that today they're going to chase the target in 18 over. Hopefully God is with us.
Clash here in Bengaluru between RCB and CSK. The fans are over here fully cheerful with a lot of emotions as well. A lot of fans over here waiting outside Chinnaswamy Stadium for the favorite teams to arrive so that they can all cheer for it. And all that they want, the CSK fans hoping that CSK wins today's match. RCB fans hoping that RCB gets to win this match. How excited are you for today's match? What are the expectations you have today?
Virat Kohli will score century. Faf will give a good start, and waiting for a big knock. And also bowlers will perform well. Hopefully, we will win by 18 runs.
So all that you want is we win by 18 runs. What do you think, is this going to be a dream come true for the RCB, or CSK will win this match?
CSK, every time CSK dominates. Every time CSK dominates. But let's see, if there is no rain, okay, it will be a good match.
So as a CSK fan, are you hoping for the rain to come so that
No.
CSK wins?
No,
or
no,
like
no.
Of course, they are waiting for that only. Once the rain comes, there will be bacha.
It's advantage for us, but definitely we will win. We will win the match. We
So
dominated every time.
Who is your favorite cricketer? What is that expectations that you're having?
Only one, the king, only Virat Kohli. He is the favorite player, and we cannot forget AB de Villiers also, who all given the hard work for the RCB. Today, if rain is not comes, RCB sure they will get the match. After that, we can see Isala Cup Namde. Mostly RCB!
All that you see, the RCB fans have that slogan on their mind saying Isala Cup Namde. It's a long-awaited dream for the RCB fans that whether this time the RCB will get to lift the cup, that needs to be seen. But there you see the bunch of supporters continues to be here to cheer for their favorite team.
CSK!
What is that you like about CSK? Why do you like CSK?
Every player! Not just Mahendra Singh Dhoni, every player.
Okay, since you're talking about Dhoni, you see, is this going to be the last match that you'll get to see Virat Kohli and Dhoni playing together on ground here? What is that on your mind right now?
No, we don't want it to be the last time, but then it probably is the last time.
Okay, so how do you want this healthy battle to be?
CSK should obviously win, but I'll feel bad if RCB doesn't win this time also.
Okay, so I can see that whole family is over here. Who are you cheering tonight?
CSK only.
Okay, what's the best thing that you like about the CSK?
Everything, MSD.
Okay, so you have some special message for MSD tonight?
No special message, he should continue to play.
We love you!
That's what. Well, there you go. Lot of emotions in the fans right now. All that they want, CSK fans, is that CSK goes to win this match. RCB fans wants the Isala Cup Namde. What is going to happen, that only on ground will tell us tonight. But if it turns out to be true for that team, for the RCB of course, then it will be that historical night to remember as well. So it's going to be an interesting night tonight. With video journalist Riaz Ritu for CNN News 18.
फास्टेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोर अपडेट्स या सबसे डिटेल्ड स्टैट्स,
क्रिकेट के अंदर बाहर की खबरें
या हेल्दी डिबेट्स,
सबसे एक्यूरेट एनालिसिस
या फैंस का क्रेज, सबके लिए एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म, क्योंकि क्रिकेट मतलब क्रिकेट नेक्स्ट।